Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm here again with a new video. This is about a festival makeup and wedding makeup, anything you can call, with Foxy Eyes eyeliner. As usual, I'm starting the makeup by moisturizing my face. Now I'm applying the illuminator first to give the shiny look for my makeup. Now I'm applying concealer under my eyes and wherever I have the dark spots. Now, as I told you earlier, that you can carry this makeup look either in the wedding or even in the festival time. Now I'm blending the concealer with my beauty sponge. Now applying the Super Stay foundation of Maybelline, I'm applying dot 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 and I'm going to blend my foundation with the same beauty sponge again. You can also blend it with brush. Now I'm setting my foundation with my favorite MAC Studio Fix compressed foundation powder. Now today I am contouring my face with eyeshadow only. If you don't have contouring palette, if you don't have blush palette, you can use the eyeshadow, a brown or closest to brown, and you can apply this way, and after that you can blend with the blending brush. So don't worry if you don't have a contour palette or a blush palette. But don't make it harsh, make it very soft and blend and blend. Similarly, I'm going to take the pink blush and apply it with the finger and again blend it properly. Now I'm grooming my eyebrows. With the help of same eyeshadow palette, I'm just going to take the same brown color and fill my eyebrows. Now you don't have to even worry if you don't have a particular eyebrow filler. Guys, chill. You can just use the eyeshadow palette and fill it. Now again taking the same palette and using a little bit of brown and pink and making a crease on my eyes. After that, I'm dabbing brown eyeshadow on my eyelids. Here nothing to do with much with the eyes. I'm just simply applying the eyeshadow. I'm just dabbing the eyeshadow. Still I'm satisfied with the intensity of it, and I love the color of the eyeshadow, the brown. Now finishing it with a gel eyeliner. Now I have very slowly shown you how to apply the eyeliner. This is a gel eyeliner, step by step. As always, eyeliner has no shortcut. You always have to practice. Be very slow when you apply the eyeliner and make sure that you apply it first to the very closest to your lash line, and then you can just take your guideline and start creating the thickness of the eyeliner. I'm going to stretch the eyeliner even in the inner corner, pointing it downward, so it gives me that effect of the foxy eyes. I'm smudging my eyeliner, smoking it out. You can see the way I'm doing it. Take a little black eyeshadow and you can also smoke it out. I'm smudging the eyeliner on the top also to give a fading effect and finishing it with a golden eyeliner. Also, I have also stretched a point in my inner corner in the pictures you can see that. Now completing my look with the highlighter. I always highlight on my inner cheeks, the tip of the nose and the brow bone of my eyebrows. Now lipstick part, it's always up to you whatever shade you like to play, and you know the best which shade suits you, so you can play with the lipstick color. This time I'm doing with red. I always go for nude and brown and pink and peach, so this time I thought why not try red. I have applied a very light eyelashes and I'm finishing it with the fixer spray. Now at this point which you are watching, I have already done my makeup shoot 3 hours prior, and this is after 3 hours guys. Actually I had some work and I had to shoot it after 3 hours of doing makeup, so you can see the effect. It's still glowing and it's still, yes, it's very good till now. I hope that you like the tutorial. If you have any kind of questions, you can please comment in the comment section below, and any suggestion, that is most welcome. Please share your love and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and if you're not, you can please hit the like button and share to your loved ones. Keep on showering your love, and thank you so much for taking your valuable time and watching my video. Thank you so much, and I will soon meet you with the next brand new video. Love you guys. Bye bye and take care.